Today we are featuring a 2013 Toyota Venza Limited. It's blizzard white in color. All right, it's got 109,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. All right, as we make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle, everything's in really good shape. No issues down through here. Across the back of the vehicle, once again, it is a limited. It does have the backup camera. All right, come down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good here. Just one thing we noticed right here on the hood. It's got a few scratches right up here on the hood. I'm going to try to move around so you can see them because it's really hard to see. They've been painted over. Let's see, right there, all the way up, a couple right there. But it does have 109,000 miles on it, so that's to be expected. It is a 2013. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, we're going to take a look here. It does have the JBL synthesis audio, memory seating. It does have the beige leather power driver's seat. The leather on the driver's seat's in good shape. All right, it does have 109,000 miles on it, so you're going to get a little bit of wrinkle in it like this, like that, and that's totally normal. Nothing wrong with it. It's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good as well. Okay, does come with 2 keyless fobs. I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit, let you see the dual panel sunroof. Okay guys, this Venza is equipped with heated seats, navigation, push button start. It also has backup camera. I'll go ahead and engage that for you. All right, nice big touchscreen there. So it also opens up here, put CDs in there. All right, and then you just hit this button to close. Okay, all the bells and whistles on this thing, like I said, it's got the push button start. Go ahead and give you a shot of that. All right, it does have a leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. There's your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Okay, it does have the power hatch. All right, we already touched on the memory seats. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 109,645 miles. We've had the air conditioner going out for about 15 minutes. Everything blows nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Everything back here in the second row looks really good. Okay, you got that tan leather, beige leather once again. Everything with the seats back here look in good shape. Just a little bit of wrinkling going on in the leather, but that's to be expected. It's got 109,000 miles on it. All right, everything looks really good there. Go ahead and fold this down for you. Just take a look at that. Let's see. This is what I wanted down, okay? All right, separates the back seat. Cup holder. Easy to flip up. Go ahead and look at here in the front. Give you the driver's eye view of the vehicle. Let you see the layout. Okay, everything's laid out really nicely here. I'm going to pan out a little bit. I'm going to walk you around to the back. Let you check out the storage back here. Okay, plenty of room. Nice carpet mat right here. Some storage under there. Okay. Go ahead and step to the side. Let you see the depth back here. All right, nice sunshade there too as well. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you these handles right here. These handles here is what you can lower the back seats or fold the back seats down from the rear of the vehicle. All right, you pull them up like so. All right, you pull it up. Seats come down. All right, and then this bar right here can come right out. And then you can see how that opens it up for you back here with the storage. All right, plenty of room. All right, it does have the power lift gate as well. Nice and smooth going down. Okay, I wanted to give you a shot of the passenger front seat. It is a power seat. Okay, you got that tan leather again. The nice little black insert in there. Really sharp looking vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. Go ahead and walk you around here. All right. 20-inch alloys on here. Alright, the alloys are in good shape. Toyo tires. As you can see, the paper's still on. There's a brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there in the tread. Alright guys, just to recap, alright, this is a 2013 Toyota Venza Limited. Alright, it's got over 109,000 miles on it. Got a few scratches here and there, okay, but the age and the price are going to reflect that. It's priced right, it's priced to sell. Come down, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.